Bach, Original Flower Remedies, Rescue Energy, Natural Fatigue Remedy, 0.7 fluid ounces, 20 milliliters. Best price only at bach.enat.ro. Product Overview Description: Trusted worldwide for generations. Homeopathic contains 27% alcohol, natural, gentle and non-habit-forming, stimulant-free and caffeine-free, non-aerosol pump, vegan, gluten-free. Rescue Energy provides everyday stress relief and helps restore mental energy with 2 quick sprays to the mouth. Uses: for relief from emotional fatigue. Suggested use: bring spray nozzle up to mouth and apply 2 sprays onto the tongue. Additional sprays may be taken as needed. Other ingredients: drug facts, active ingredients, each 5x, HPUS, purpose: olive, olea, europaea, helps restore emotional vitality when mentally exhausted. Rock rose, helianthemum nummularium, courage and presence of mind. Clematis, Clematis vitalba, focus when ungrounded. Impatiens, Impatiens glandulifera, patience with problems and people. Cherry plum, Prunus ceracifera, balanced mind when losing control. Star of Bethlehem, Ornithogalum umbulatum, softens impact of shock. Inactive ingredient: alcohol, no artificial colors, artificial flavors or animal products. Active ingredients made according to the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of the United States, HPUS. Warnings: ask a doctor before use in children under 12 years of age. When using this product, keep away from eyes. Stop use and ask if conditions exists for more than 2 weeks or if fatigue or drowsiness persists or continues to recur. For occasional use only. Not intended for use as a substitute for sleep. If pregnant or breastfeeding, as a health professional before use. Keep out of reach of children. In case of overdose, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Store below 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.